Good morning to every student. This is the fourth video matrix class. In the last class, we are already discussed matrix multiplication and its property and positive integral power of square matrix. You know the matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication, the product of two matrix is possible if the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So the product of the two matrix is possible if the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. That is, let A is equal to Aij be a matrix of order m cross n, and B is equal to Bij be a matrix of order p cross q. The product A into B is possible if number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix, that is n is equal to p. After multiplication, the order of AB is m cross q. Similarly, the product B into A is possible if number of columns of the first matrix is equal to number of rows of the second matrix. That is, the number of columns of B is equal to number of rows of A. Here the number of columns of B is Q and the number of rows of A is equal to M. That is, Q is equal to M. So after multiplication, the order of BA is first you have to see B, so P cross N. But how to multiply the product AB? So we have to multiply the row of the first matrix to the corresponding elements of the second matrix. तारतो AB रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिया बोले हमको A मैट्रिक्स रो रो सहित सेकंड मैट्रिक्स रो कॉलम रो करस्पोंडिंग एलिमेंट को मल्टीप्लाई करिके हमें प्लस करथिले. सो एमदी फॉर्म रे मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमें बाहर करथिले. तापर हमें मैट्रिक्स रो मल्टीप्लिकेशन रो प्रॉपर्टीज डिस्कशन करथिले. बट टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ट्रांसपोज ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स. तो ट्रांसपोज ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स मींस राइट डाउन transpose of a matrix. So transpose means let A is equal to Aij be a matrix of order m cross n. The transpose of A is denoted by A transpose is a T for transpose of A or A dash. A prime means transpose of A or A T means transpose of A, where transpose of A is equal to Ji of order n cross n. Of order n cross n, which is obtained by changing rows into columns or columns into rows. That is, transpose means you have to interchange rows into column or columns into row. तो जेकोसी गोटे मैट्रिक्स देथियो रेक्टेंगुलर मैट्रिक्स देथियो तार ट्रांसपोज मींस यू हैव टू चेंज रोस इनटू कॉलम और अदरवाइज कॉलम्स इनटू रो. रो डाको ताको कॉलम स्टाइल लिखियो किबा कॉलम डाको रो स्टाइल लिखियो. आफ्टर ट्रांसपोज, आफ्टर इंटरचेंज, then that is called the transpose of the matrix. For example, you can another example. Take example, let A is equal to 2, 3, minus 5, 7 8 minus 10. So this is a matrix of which order? Its order is 2 cross 3 because it contains 2 rows and 3 columns, and its transpose will be, the transpose will be, you have to interchange rows into column, means first you have to write row into column, first row को first column लिखियो 2 3 minus 5, then we write second row into second column 7 8 minus 10. तो फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम लिखियो, सेकंड रो को सेकंड कॉलम को लियो, अदरवाइज तो मैं फर्स्ट कॉलम को फर्स्ट रो लिखियो, सेकंड कॉलम को सेकंड रो लिख परियो, थर्ड कॉलम को थर्ड रो लिखियो. Interchange, after interchange rows into column, this matrix will be transpose of the matrix. Clearly its order is 3 cross 2. तो जे गुण से मैट्रिक्स रो ट्रांसपोज होला परे गिवन मैट्रिक्स रो ऑर्डर ता जति थियो, after transpose the order of the matrix should be changed. Next, what are the properties of the transpose of the matrix? Next we have to discuss the properties of the transpose of the matrix. Let A and B are matrix. Number 1, transpose of transpose equal to A. The transpose of the matrix is a over matrix. Number 2, A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, provided A and B are the same order. Because if they are not same order, then the addition and subtraction are not possible. Number 3, A minus B the whole transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. And number 4, K into A whole transpose equal to K into A transpose. So what is K into A? K into A is the scalar multiple of the matrix. And fifth property is A into B whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Not A transpose into B transpose. A B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. And this property is called reversal. Reversal property. Now first we have to verify the AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. For example, verify AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, where A equal to 2 minus 3 1 4 0 6, and B is equal to B is 3 2 4 5 6 3 or 6 minus 3. So its order is 2 cross 3 and its order is 3 cross 2. We have to verify AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So first we have to find AB. So AB means you have to write first matrix is A. So 2 minus 3 1 4 0 6 into B. So B equal to 3 4 6 2 5 minus 3. Clearly the order of A is 2 cross 3 and order of B is 3 cross 2. The number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So its product is possible. After multiplication, the order of AB is 2 cross 2. But how to multiply the AB? We have to multiply the rows of the first matrix to the corresponding element of the columns of the second matrix. प्रथम मैट्रिक्स रो को सेकंड मैट्रिक्स रो कॉलम रो corresponding element सहित मल्टीप्लिकेशन करियो, and that multiplication is known as row into column wise matrix multiplication. तो फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स रो को हम सेकंड मैट्रिक्स रो कॉलम रो corresponding element सहित मल्टीप्लाई करिया. That means 2 into 3 6 minus 3 into 4 minus 12, 1 into 6, 6. First row को first column, then we go to first row को second column. तमे फर्स्ट रो रे जो मल्टीप्लाई करछो कॉलम सहित बोले फर्स्ट रो रे आगे लिखियो फर्स्ट रो कंप्लीट करला परे यू हैव टू गो टू सेकंड रो तो फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करियो देन फर्स्ट रो को सेकंड कॉलम तो फर्स्ट रो को सेकंड कॉलम करले कॉरेस्पोंडिंग एलिमेंट सहित मल्टीप्लाई करियो 2 into 2 दिस इज 4 then minus 3 into 5 तो minus 15 1 into minus 3 this is minus 3 then first रो को थर्ड कॉलम हम पाकर थर्ड कॉलम अछि की तनो थर्ड कॉलम सहित मल्टीप्लिकेशन करिया दरकार नै तो फर्स्ट रो हम कंप्लीट हैला फर्स्ट रो कंप्लीट करला परे तमे बर्तमान सेकंड रो सहित मल्टीप्लाई करियो मीन सेकंड रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकंड रो को सेकंड कॉलम तो सेकंड रो सहित मल्टीप्लाई करछो सेकंड रो लिखियो लाइन लागू तो 4 into 3 12 0 into 4 0 here 6 into 6 36 then you have to multiply second row into second column so 4 into 2 8 0 into 5 0 so 6 minus 3 18 okay so this is equal to 6 plus 6 12 minus 12 0 here 4 minus 18 so 4 minus 18 is equal to minus 14 here 12 plus 36 48 this is 48 and 8 minus 18 equal to minus 10 so clearly its order is 2 cross 2 and what is AB transpose the AB transpose equal to AB transpose so AB transpose means you have to interchange rows into column so first row into first column first row first column लिखियो then second row second column लिखो 48 minus 10 so this is the AB transpose and its transpose is also 2 cross 2 then you have to go B transpose into A transpose so B transpose means write first B transpose देखो B transpose into A transpose so B transpose means so what is B the B is this one its transpose its order of the B is 3 cross 2 and the transpose of the B will be 2 cross 3 तो फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम लिख लियो 3 2 फर्स्ट रो को सेकंड रो को सेकंड कॉलम करो 4 5 एंड थर्ड रो को थर्ड कॉलम कर दियो 6 minus 3 that's B transpose then A transpose the order of A is 2 cross 3 and the transpose of A will be 3 cross 2 तो फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम करो 2 minus 3 1 then सेकंड रो को सेकंड कॉलम कर दियो 4 0 6 the order of B transpose its order is 3 2 cross 3 because 2 rows and 3 column and its order is 3 cross 2 3 rows and 2 column clearly its multiplication is possible after multiplication the order will be 2 cross 2 so how to multiply we multiply row into column so means row of the first matrix to the corresponding element of the second matrix प्रथम मैट्रिक्स रो को सेकंड मैट्रिक्स रो कॉलम रो corresponding element सहित मल्टीप्लाई करियो सो एडा को रो डा को राउंड अप करियो सेम दी कॉलम डा को राउंड अप करियो एडा बुझे अंडरस्टैंडिंग बाय हम एमदी करछे करिया किछ जरूरी नोहा सो 3 into 2 6 then 4 into minus 3 minus 12 then 6 into 1 plus 6 then first row to second column 3 into 4 12 4 into 0 0 6 into 6 36 then we have to go second row into first column so 2 into 2 4 5 into minus 3 minus 15 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 then second row into second row को बर्तमान second column से तो मल्टीप्लाई करो 2 into 4 8 5 into 0 0 minus 3 into 6 minus 18 so 6 plus 6 12 minus 12 0 here 12 plus 36 48 then 4 minus 18 minus 14 then 8 minus 18 minus 10 and clearly its order is also 2 cross 2 2 cross 2 So B transpose into A transpose equal to 4, 48 minus 14 minus 10, and AB transpose equal to 2, 14 and minus 14 and minus 10. Therefore, AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So the reversal property is verified. Therefore, lastly you have to write this one. So therefore, AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. So this property is verified. Let's another example. Next example, let A is equal to 2 minus 1 3 and B is equal to 4 1 6. Verify AB prime is equal to B prime into A prime. That is AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Answer. First you have to find AB. So AB means you have to write first the matrix A 2 minus 1 3 and B equal to 4 1 6. Clearly the order of A is 1 cross 3 and the order of B is 3 cross 1. The order of the columns of the first matrix equal to rows of the second matrix. So its product is possible. But how to multiply? After multiplication, the order of AB is 1 cross 1. 1 cross 1 means this is a matrix contains single element. So how to multiply? Row into column. First row first column multiply karo. So 2 into 4 8 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 3 into 6 18. First row first column wala first row second column अछि कि हम पकड़े 9 कि second row अछि कि so the multiplication is over complete and its order is 1 cross 1. So 8 plus 18, right? 18 26 minus 1, this is the 25. So 25 its order is 1 cross 1 and AB transpose. So AB transpose is also 25 and its order is 1 cross 1. Next you have to find B transpose into A transpose. So B transpose into A transpose means its order is the order of B is 3 cross 1. After the transpose the order will be 1 cross 3. So first column go first row लिखिया 4 1 6 and the transpose of A. Now the row matrix transpose na column matrix asyo and this is 2 minus 1 3. After multiplication, its order is 1 cross 3 and its order is 3 cross 1. So how to multiply? You have to multiply row into column. So 4 into 2 8, 1 into minus 1, 6 into 3 18. So this is 8 minus 1 7 plus 18 is equal to 25 and its order is also 1 cross 1. Clearly AB transpose, therefore AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So in this way you have to verify AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, or you can examine A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose, or A transpose equal to A transpose equal to A. And next skew symmetric matrix. Next is skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. So what do you mean by skew symmetric matrix? A square matrix capital A equal to A is a of order n cross n is said to be symmetric matrix. First you have to write the symmetric matrix is said to be symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to A. So what do you mean by symmetric matrix? A square matrix capital A is said to be symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to A. So जो square matrix रो transpose से नीचे आसतो transpose वाले से नीचे आसतो, that is called symmetric matrix. For example symmetric matrix. First you have to take construct 3 cross 3 matrix. You have to take 2 minus 5 10. देखो फर्स्ट रो रे मु कोन लिखली 2 minus 5 10 हमको ट्रांसपोज इक्वल टू एआर आसी तो रो रे को फर्स्ट रो ले जा लिखियो तुमको फर्स्ट कॉलम रे सेटा लिखिया पड़ियो तो 2 minus 5 10 फर्स्ट रो लिखला पर तुम कोन करियो फर्स्ट कॉलम रे लिखियो ताबरे minus 5 10 देन सेकंड रो रे जिन कराबो सेकंड कॉलम लिखाबो ए लिखलो minus 5 सेकंड रो बता लिखियो ना -5 ए लिखियो 17 मन इच्छा रखियो सेकंड रो रा 17 ए लिखियो -8 तो सेकंड रो गलाडू सेकंड कॉलम रे यार अछि तो एले केटा आसियो -5 17 -8 सेकंड रो जेन रो यार अछि सेकंड कॉलम ना -5 17 एटा कोन लखिया पड़ियो -8 देन थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम ए जेन रखु रखो ए रखले मन करो 20 क्लियरली दिस इज ए सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स तो फर्स्ट रो लिखला परे ए एलिमेंट 8 जेतिक रहइबो 8 सेतिक रहया पड़ियो 8 जेतिक रहइबो 8 सेतिक रखिया पड़ियो देन 8 जहा मन इच्छा रखो रखो 8 जहा रहइबो 8 ता रखियो सो क्लियरली दिस इज ए सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स और अनदर एग्जांपल 2 cross 2 suppose you write 1 -2 and -2 रखले माने -2 रखियो एडा होची 3 so this is also symmetric matrix आर रो फर्स्ट रो रे कोन अछि 2 -5 10 फर्स्ट रो जे थियो फर्स्ट कॉलम थी रो कॉलम सेकंड रो एलिमेंट जा अछि सेकंड कॉलम रे जाता अछि थर्ड रो रे जा अछि थर्ड कॉलम रे ता अछि फर्स्ट रो रे फर्स्ट कॉलम सेकंड रो को सेकंड कॉलम तो जो मैट्रिक्स रो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स रो आ कॉलम को इंटरचेंज करले से मैट्रिक्स ता आस्तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स नेक्स्ट स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स a square matrix capital A is said to be skew symmetric matrix if a transpose equal to minus a. If a transpose equal to minus a, then that matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. But the symmetric matrix means a transpose equal to a. This is the symmetric. In skew symmetric, a transpose equal to minus a. For example, suppose you have to take a 3 cross 3 matrix, element 2. So for symmetric matrix, you have to write all the diagonal element are 0. तो स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक लिखियो स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एग्जांपल देलालु तमु कोन करिया पड़ो डायगोनल एलिमेंट सब बाले 0 करिया पड़ो एटा 0 रखिनो ए लिखनो -5 ए रखलो 7 तो फर्स्ट रो जा रहइबो फर्स्ट कॉलम रो जा रहइबो किंतु माइनस इनटू ए रोयार अछि ऑपोजिट साइड रोयार अछि तो फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम रो एलिमेंट सेम रोइला बाद भी आरो साइन ना कोन रहयो ऑपोजिट रखियो तो एडी -5 रखिसो ना एडी +5 रखिया पड़ियो एडी +7 रखिसो ना एडी -7 रखिया पड़ियो तो फर्स्ट रो रे जा रखियो फर्स्ट कॉलम रे ता रखियो किंतु एडार साइन दा ऑपोजिट करिया पड़ियो आ डायगोनल एलिमेंट को 0 करिया पड़ियो एडे 0 रखियो डायगोनल एलिमेंट रे ए रखिलो सपोज -10 रखियो बोले एडी कोन रखियो +10 रखिया पड़ियो एडा 0 रहइबो ओके क्लियरली दिस इज ए स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स एंड अनदर एग्जांपल 8 is 0 रहइला 8 -5 रहइबो 8 +5 रहइबो एडा 0 रहइबो सो दिस इज ए स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स काहे आर ट्रांसपोज करियो बोले माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करलागा सेम रेशियो देन what are the properties or note you know symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Then note number 1 for any square matrix capital A number 1 A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Number 2, A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Remember this one, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix, and third one is A transpose into A and A into A transpose. Both are symmetric matrix. Both are symmetric matrix. Okay. Next, another or we prove this one. Why? A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. A transpose into A into A transpose, both are symmetric matrix. Because proof of one, first we have to prove A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. So symmetric matrix means A plus A transpose or transpose equal to, so there is a property of the transpose of the matrix, A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So this is equal to A transpose plus A transpose or transpose, and this is equal to A transpose, but A transpose equal to A, and this is equal to A plus A transpose. Clearly A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Next, proof of 2, A minus A transpose equal to A transpose minus A transpose or transpose. So this is equal to A transpose minus A transpose or transpose equal to A. So taking minus common, so this is equal to minus of A minus A transpose. So clearly A minus A transpose equal to minus of A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. And third one is A transpose into A is a symmetric, and A into A transpose is also symmetric matrix. Proof of 3, A transpose into A, the whole transpose equal to, there is a reversal property, A into B transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So this is equal to A transpose into A transpose or transpose. So this is A transpose equal to A. So A transpose into A transpose equal to A transpose into A. Therefore A transpose into A is a symmetric matrix. Next, A into A transpose or transpose is equal to A transpose or transpose into A transpose. So also this is A into A transpose. Clearly A into A transpose is a symmetric. A transpose A is also symmetric matrix. Next, another theorem or note: for every square matrix, for every square matrix capital A can be expressed, for every square matrix A can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So every square matrix capital A can be expressed as the symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Proof: you have to write A is equal to A plus A transpose plus A minus A transpose. But after simplification, A plus 2 is there, then this is equal to minus by 2. So then by 2 कर देगा, left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this is equal to, you have to write in this way, A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. So clearly in the beginning we proved that here we proved A plus A transpose is a symmetric and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Clearly it is a symmetric matrix and this one is a skew symmetric matrix. Since this is a symmetric symmetric, and this one is a skew symmetric matrix. So the proof is complete. So every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. In example, you have to see one example. Express the matrix 4 minus 2 3 5 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We know every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So its answer is first you have to take this one is a, so 4 3 minus 2 5. So you know A is equal to A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2. Clearly this is a symmetric matrix because A plus A transpose is a symmetric, and by 2, the by 2 means scalar multiple is also a symmetric matrix, and this one is a skew symmetric matrix. So A plus A transpose means you have to write A equal to 4 minus 2 and 3 5 plus A transpose. A transpose means 4 minus 2 first write row into column, and this is equal to 3 5. And you have to divide by 2 plus A minus A transpose. First you have to write A, so 4 minus 2 3 5 and minus A transpose. So A transpose means 4 minus 2 and 3 5 by 2, 4 by 2. So this is equal to, you have to addition this matrix 4 plus 4 8 minus 2 plus 3 1 3 minus 2 1, here 5 plus 5 10 by 2 plus here 4 minus 4 0 and minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, here 3 minus 1 minus 2. So 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 5, here 5 minus 5 0 by 2. So this is equal to by 2 means 8 by 8 1 1 10 by 2 means 1 by 2 multiply divide 2 to each elements. So 8 by 2 4 8 1 by 2 1 by 2 here 5 plus by 2 karo 0 by 2 0, and this is minus 5 by 2, and this is 5 by 2, and this is 0. So clearly this is a symmetric matrix because row first row kon achi 4 1 by 2 first column row re jemti achi column achi first row ko first column dekho and second row ko second column same achi. So clearly this is a symmetric and this one is a skew symmetric. Skew symmetric, how can you know it is a skew symmetric? The diagonal element of the skew symmetric matrix must be 0. जो मैट्रिक्स रो डायगोनल एलिमेंट 0 थिबो आ रो कॉलम रे सेम नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट थियो किंतु साइन टा कोन थियो ऑपोजिट थियो एट -5 2 अछि एट +5 2 अछि. So this is a skew symmetric matrix and this is a symmetric matrix. In this way you have to express symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Next another example. So express the matrix. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix as the sum of symmetric and the skew symmetric matrix. Similarly, so clearly you have to take this matrix. Given matrix is A. So जो matrix का देखो first you have to take this one is A. So -2 4 5 0 1 -2 and 3 2 3, and A transpose equal to it's A transpose. The transpose of A equal to first row first column लिखो -2 0 3, then second row को second column लिखो 4 1 2, third row को third column लिखी दियो 5 -2 3. So A is equal to A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2, and and substitute the matrix A and A transpose minus 2 0 3 4 1 2 5 minus 2 3 plus A transpose minus 2 0 3 4 1 2 and 5 minus 2 3 by 2 plus here minus 2 0 3 4 1 2 and 5 minus 2 3 minus A transpose. So minus 2 4 5 and 0 1 minus 2 and 3 2 3 2 3 by 2. Then add these two matrix. So this is equal to minus 2 minus 4 ये 0 plus 4 4 3 plus 5 8. Then 4 plus 0 4 1 1 add करियो 2 corresponding element सहित add करियो 2 minus 2 0 here 5 3 8 minus 2 plus 2 0 3 plus 3 6 by 2 plus any corresponding element सहित subtract करियो minus 2 here minus or minus 2 means plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0 0 minus 4 minus 4 3 minus 5 minus 2 4 minus 0 4 1 minus 1 0 then 2 minus or minus 2 plus 2 so plus 2 2 plus 2 4 5 minus 3 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 then 3 minus 3 0 by 2. So this is equal to this is you have to divide 2 to each elements by 2 means कौन करियो सब जगह एलिमेंट 2 डिवाइड करियो minus 4 by 2 so this is minus 2 4 by 2 2 and 8 by 2 4 by 2 2 2 by 2 1 and 0 by 2 0 8 by 2 4 0 by 2 0 6 by 2 3 plus 0 by 2 0 minus 2 by 2 minus 2 minus 2 by minus 2 minus 1 4 by 2 2 0 by 2 0 4 by 2 2 then this is 1 and this is minus 2 and this is 0 so clearly this is a symmetric matrix. Why it is a symmetric matrix? Because first row first column these are the same element, second row and second column same, third row third column so row और column रे same element अछि so this is a clearly this is a symmetric and this one is skew symmetric because all the diagonal elements are 0 and the row and the column the element are in the opposite sign the minus 2 अछि ना 2 अछि देखो the minus 1 अछि ना 1 अछि diagonal element 0 अछि एटी 2 अछि ना एटी minus 2 so clearly this is a skew symmetric matrix so every square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix so in this way you have to complete all the exercise problem of the first exercise and the second exercise of the matrix तेणु एतिके matrix रो जो theory class तुमको provide कराला video class आको completely भलो देखंतु आउ हमरो matrix assignment भी matrix pdf करी दिया छै हमरो theory टा सो एतिके देखि discussion कला परे सब जगह video class discussion देखला परे तमे निजे exercise रो हमरो element बही अछि कि textbook of mathematics से बही रो exercise फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज और सेकंड एक्सरसाइज करियो चेष्टा करो आ आमे सेकंड क्लास रे मध्ये मु किसी क्वेश्चन आंसर प्रोवाइड करी वीडियो क्लास रे प्रॉब्लम रो करबा सो थैंक यू।